EBSCOhost has an option to save your information to a folder. In order to do this, you will need to create a separate account that is only used in EBSCOhost. This is not tied to your my.snu or your Moodle account. To do this, click on the Sign In tab at the top of the page. If this is your first time, you will need to click on the Create a New Account link. Enter your information and then click Save Changes, and you'll be ready to go. When you want to log in, type in your username and your password, and then click Login. You will know that you are logged in because you can see your name at the top right-hand corner, and you'll also see that there is a yellow ribbon with the word My across the EBSCOhost icon. You always want to double check and make sure that you are logged in before you start trying to save items to your folder, or they will not be there when you try to retrieve them the next time. In order to see your folders and manage them, click on the Folder tab at the top of the page. Here you will see a list of the folders that you have. If you want to create a new folder, click on the New tab, type in the name of your folder, and a description if you'd like. You can also put your folder underneath a larger heading if you'd like to organize them that way. Then go ahead and click Save, and you will see that my folder has appeared below. Now let's say I'm working on a group project with some people from my class, and we are all responsible to share research. These are really handy because you can share your folder with other members of your class. In order to do this, simply click on the little plus icon, and you can see that there is an option there to edit or to share. Click the Share option, and it will allow you to type in the email addresses of your classmates. You can type in a message as well, and then send them an invite. This will send them an email saying that you have shared this folder with them, and it will also give them a passcode. The passcode is what they will use to accept this folder and add it to their folders below. You can see that I have a folder that was shared with me, and if I wanted to add the folder that you were sharing with me, I would click the Add button. Then I would enter that passcode that was given and click Submit. This would give me access to that folder and the information that's in it. If I want to edit the name of my folder, I'm going to click on this little edit icon, change my folder name, and hit Save. Now let's go back to do a search and see how we add an item to our folder. You can see this little folder icon beside the title of the article. If you click that little icon, you can choose which folder you want to add it to. I'm going to add it to the NICU, and you can see that the folder has changed to yellow. If you want to double check and make sure that it's in there, click on the folder option at the top, click on your folder, and you'll see it says Articles and the number 1 beside it because there's one article in my folder. I'm going to click on the articles. You'll see the title right here, and it is in there. Also, if you're finished with the article and you want to delete it, you're going to click right here, click Delete Items, and it will delete it. If you want to copy it to a different folder, just click Copy To. If you want to move it somewhere else, you can also move it directly to that folder. Now, if you have a whole bunch of articles in one folder and you want to organize them differently, initially they are organized alphabetically by the name, but you can change it to Date Added if you'd like. Here's a folder where I have a lot of articles. Right now they're listed alphabetically, but if I want to change it to the date they were added, it will reorganize them into the order from oldest to newest. So if you just added one, you're going to want to go to the last page so that you can check and see if it's there. You can also change the way your page is set up as well by using this little page options icon. And that is how you create a folder in EBSCOhost.